Need a new SIM card from SafeLink Wireless? Here's how. If your SIM card is lost or damaged, you can request a replacement online via the SafeLink app or website, or by calling customer service at 1-800-723-3546. Physical SIM replacements are mailed to you and typically arrive within 2 to 5 business days with free shipping. More recently, SafeLink has started offering eSIM options for newer compatible phones like the Moto G Power or Samsung Galaxy A14. If your phone supports eSIM, you can activate it digitally by downloading the SafeLink app and scanning a QR code. To qualify for a new SIM, you must be eligible for the Lifeline program, which is based on income or participation in programs like SNAP or Medicaid. Make sure to have your government-issued ID and eligibility documents ready. Once you receive your new SafeLink SIM card, either physical or eSIM, activation is straightforward. For a physical SIM, insert the card into your phone. For an eSIM, scan the QR code via your phone's settings using the SafeLink app. Power on your phone and follow the prompts to connect to SafeLink's network. You'll need to verify your identity, often via text or within the app. After verification, your service should be activated with free minutes and data added automatically. SafeLink operates on major carrier networks like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, so ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible to avoid any issues. SafeLink emphasizes simplicity with no credit checks or contracts, focusing on providing reliable, government-backed service.